Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the workbench today we have the main board from a Philips CM8833 Mk2. This has been brought in for a check over. So first thing I'm going to do is give it a bit of a clean up with IPA. It's very dusty. See if I can get the board itself out. Right, I've got the board away from the plastic. Spray some contact cleaner in all the controls. And all the switches. A little bit scratchy, some of those. And then we've got the ones the other side. So I've washed the plastic base in the shower and all the knobs from the back. So I've just got to let this drain the water out now. Testing the switch here. If I put the probes on the two pins, press and hold the switch in, it makes connection, but it won't latch, and the same with these two. See, if I hold it in, it stays on. Right, let's remove the old power switch then. Let's see how we're going with this. The switch is out, and this is what will need replacing. We might have to replace it with something different, like a rocker type switch or something.